Hello student. Today we can be discuss the concept of sustainable development. Sustainable development is the kind of the development which satisfy the current needs of the people without endangering the future generations to satisfy their own. The essence of this statement is fair distribution of the natural resources both among different generations as well as some among people all parts of the world. It also aims to finding a positive consensus among the environmental, social and economic dimensions of the environment. Thus, the sustainable development is not about a choice between environmental protection and social progress, but more about striving for economical and social development that would be compatible with environmental protection. Two main goals of sustainable development are: first, to ensure appropriate, secure wealth of life for all people in the goal of development, and second, to live and labor in accordance with biophysical limits of the environment. It is the goal of sustainability. The roots of the sustainable development can be traced back in 1972 Stockholm Conference in Sweden, where the development economic growth was the first time linked to environment, emphasizing by needs of the efforts at international level. Later, Earth Summit at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil in 1992, World Summit can Sustainable Development in 2002, and UN Conference on Sustainable Development in Rio in 2012 have emphasized the importance of meeting fundamental human needs in ways that preserve life support system of the planet. Human impact on the natural resources that can be causes the unsustainability. The chief causes of the unsustainability is the exponential growth of the human population and overexploitation of our natural resources. In developing countries, resource exploitation occurs chiefly to meet the needs of ever increasing human population. For food, fuel, and fodder and shelters, human activities such as agriculture, deforestation, land clearing for the urbanization and industrialization, overfishing, overuse of fresh water, etc., targeted to meet such needs results into environmental degradation and social disintegration to provide resource for growing number of people. Sustainable development and climate change. In recent years, climate change has been emerged as an important factor for the challenges in human ability to achieve the ecological, economical, and social objectives that define sustainable development. Sustainable development and climate change in Indian context. The key of environmental challenges in India have been sharper into the past 2 decades. Climate change, food security, water security, energy security, and management of the urbanization are 5 key challenges faced by the India. Climate change is affecting the natural ecosystem and have sustainable adverse effects mainly on the agriculture, or which 58% of the population is still depending for livelihood. Besides, it has influenced the water storage in the Himalayan glacier, which are the source of major rivers and groundwater reserves, melting of the glacier have resulted in the sea level rise and have threatened to the long coastal line and habitat. Climate change is also responsible for the increase in the frequency of extreme events such as floods, droughts, etc. International collaboration and efforts, they are admitting the well-founded concern on the need to address environmental problems, where global call for the cooperation, action and innovation. World leader in 2012 continue to discuss in international forum dedicated to climate and environment, and also in forum like G20 summits. Rio Plus 20, the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development, is known as Rio Plus 20, was held in June 2012 at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The objective of this conference was to secure renewable political commitment for the sustainable development, review progress made and identify complementation of the gap. They are 20 years ago in Rio de Janeiro in 1992. In this context, the conference has two themes. First, green economy in the context of the sustainable development and the poverty eradication, and second, institutional framework for the sustainable development. Convention on the Biological Diversity. The Convention of the Biological Diversity, CBD, one of the key agreements adopted during the Earth Summit held in the Rio de Janeiro in 1992, is the first comprehensive global agreement which addresses all aspects relating to the biodiversity. The CBD, which near universal membership with 193 countries as parties, set out commitment from maintaining the world ecological health while pursuing economic development. That are, India is a mega diversified countries rich in the biodiversity and associated traditional knowledge, and being committed to the cause. India successfully hosted the COP11 to the CBD and the 6th conference of the parties, serving as meeting of the parties to the CBD. Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety in Hyderabad in October 2012. Biodiversity Act. Following the rectification of the CBD, India also enacted the Biological Diversity Act in 2002 and notified the rules in 2004 to give effect on the provision of CBD. Doha Climate Change Conference in 2012. The 18th session of the COP on the UNICEF, held on the November-December in 2012 in Doha, Qatar, has resulted in the set of decision aimed at advancing the implementation of the UNFCCC and the Kyoto Protocol. The key of this for the Doha conference were amending the Kyoto Protocol to implement the second commitment period under the protocol, and successfully concluded on the work of Bali Action Plan. Farming and the natural resources. Water is the principal source that has helped agriculture and society to prosper, and it has been major limiting factor when mismanaged. In this context, drought-resistant farming system should be adopted. Thanks.